Hello dear students, today we are going to understand the ceiling function and the floor function, which is also called LIF and GIF. You can imagine one number minus 2.8 on a number line. So minus 2.8 is coming from where? From, if you will see the floor of it, means from where it is coming, so it is minus 3. Okay, minus 3 it already crossed. Now it is going towards the positive number. So next integer which is going to come is minus 2. So minus 2 will be LIF here and minus 3 will be GIF. Okay, it is very clear. Now where the confusion happens with the student, they thinks that why minus 2 is coming here as LIF, why minus 3 coming as GIF. So GIF and LIF always keep in mind, GIF means greatest integer function which you can take out from that number. So what already it crossed, that only it can able to give. So minus 3 will be GIF and what is going to come, that will be LIF. Okay, so minus 2 is LIF here, minus 3 is GIF. Now we will take some real life example. First one is number of buses needed. For example, suppose 101 students are there and they are going for a trip and one bus can carry 50 students only. So how many buses you required? 2.02 bus. So do you think that 02 bus exist? No. So here we need 3 buses to accommodate all these students. So 3, what we are doing here, we are taking LIF. So it is called ceiling function. Now the another example is number of boxes required. Suppose there are 53 apples and we need to store these apples. In each box can hold 10 apples only. So how many boxes are required? 53 by 10, if you will do, 5.3 will come. So we don't have 5.3 boxes. So we need whole number of boxes. That means we need 6 boxes. So here also we are using the concept of ceiling function, right? Because in 5 we will keep 50 and one box will be required to keep 3 apples. So that's why we need 6 boxes. So here we are using the concept of ceiling function. Now another example is counting complete units. For example, we count only the complete units, not the partial part. Suppose a worker is paid 100 rupees per complete hour, okay, and he worked for 7.8 hours. So we will not pay for 0.8 hours because he has completed only 7 hours fully. So for that 7 hours, we will pay 7 into 100, that is 700. So here we are using the concept of GIF, greatest integer function we are taking. So 7 is the complete hours he worked and for 0.8 hour he will not get. So like that we calculate GIF. Now another example we will take from digital computers. Computer store data in fixed size memory blocks like KB, MB, GB. Suppose a file needs 10.2 KB of storage and we know that computer allocates memory in KB blocks for this. So we cannot allocate 10.2 KB. We must allocate whole number of KB blocks. So how many KB blocks we have to allocate for 10.2 KB of storage? We have to allocate upper ceiling, that is 11 KB. So in 11 KB, 10.2 KB will be used and 0.8 will be wastage, right? So that's why we need ceiling function here. Here which ceiling we are using? Ceiling function means here we are using LIF. One more example we can take from age calculation. In many of the cases, age is counted in complete years. The incomplete part of the year is not counted. For example, a person is completed 17 years and 11 months, okay. So he has not completed 18 years yet. So his age in complete year is 17, okay. So here again we are taking GIF concept. We are considering 17 as full age and the 11 months is not completed, means the 18 year is not completed yet. So we will consider it as not completed. 17 we will count. So in some of the legal cases, they count the person age like this and they say he is 17-year-old till now. Now next example we will take from floor numbering in buildings where we are using GIF concept. The floor we are on in the greatest whole numbered floor at or below our height. For example, you are at a height of 3.7 floor above the ground. So floors are counted in only whole numbers. We cannot be on a fraction of a floor. So what we will say, how many floors are below me? That is 3 floors, right? So here we are using the concept of GIF. So these are the real life application of GIF and LIF concepts. If we understand this, it becomes very easy for us to find LIF, GIF in just seconds we can able to say. And I think after this video it becomes easy for you two students. If you want to know anything about it, or if you want to ask anything, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to make video on it. Thank you students. Bye bye.